So we start off with 3 28-ounce cans of San Marzano tomatoes. Make sure the can says certified. Then we take a large colander over a large bowl and dump the tomatoes in, letting the liquid drain for about 5 minutes. Then in a large sturdy pot, heat a 1/4 cup of olive oil over medium heat. To this, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of minced garlic. You're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Then to this, we're going to add some fresh parsley, fresh basil, a nice dose of kosher salt, and some freshly ground pepper. So cook this for only about 30 seconds. Then, using your hands, add the reserved tomatoes, crushing as you go. Hold on to that liquid, we'll add that later. Let these cook down for about 15 minutes. Then crank the heat to high and add the liquid. Let this boil for about 12 minutes. Then you're going to let it completely cool down and you've got the best tasting marinara you've ever had.
Hey everybody! Hey y'all! If you like what you just watched, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That's right. If you want to see more recipes like this, just click right here.
Subscribe to our YouTube or watch!